Hello everyone, we are from Decoration team, and now I would like to introduce our team. Gigi Yuga Pratama, Bachelor of Islamic Economics. Prima William Adiputra, Bachelor of Management. Eva Zunia Khairiyah, Bachelor of Islamic Economics. Ahmad Izzuddin Fahmi, Bachelor of Islamic Economics. Wahyu Putra Gangga BA, Bachelor of Islamic Economics. Dr. Maryam PTE Badrul Munir, SPT MSI, Supervisor. Coral reef degradation in Indonesia. According to data sourced from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry (KLHK), over half of the coral reef in Indonesia have seen significant degradation during the past few decades. The primary contributor to the degradation of coral reef in Indonesia encompass pollution, overfishing, the utilization of explosive in fishing techniques, and the impact of climate change. Decoration Underwater Coral Reef Education. The Seas of South Kalimantan present both potential and associated negative impacts, leading to the emergence of new tourism options for local and international groups to partake in. Underwater tourism possesses certain advantage in comparison to alternative form of tourism. The Decoration Underwater Coral Reef Education initiative is a notable underwater coral reef education tour located in South Kalimantan. It is widely regarded as a potential solution to address the issues of coral reef degradation. Objectives. The program primarily emphasizes the utilization of coral reef boats of monitoring to tourism attraction, terribly serving as an educational platform to raise awareness about the significance of coral reef within the marine ecosystem. This endeavor of to effectively manage coral reef ecosystem and underwater habits, ensuring their sustainability for future generations. Additionally, it endeavors to enhance the economic well-being of the Kota Baru community through the development of underwater tourism.
Indonesian waters. Indonesian waters are rich in natural resources including mangrove ecosystem, seagrass meadows, coral reefs, and marine biodiversity. As reported by Kompas.com in 2019, the underwater scenery created by coral reefs and marine life in Indonesia attracts tourists, especially divers. Satisfying their hearts, Indonesia, as one of the world's coral triangle regions, possesses a total coral reef area of 2.5 million hectares, making it home to the largest coral reefs globally. However, coral reef degradation in Indonesia is a serious and growing issue. According to data from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, approximately 50% of Indonesia's coral reefs have disappeared or suffered serious damage in recent decades. The type of explosives the coral reef they make along the coastline of South Kalimantan is believed to be caused by factors such as high sedimentation carried by river currents flowing into the sea, environmentally damaging fishing practices like trawl nets, and the use of explosives that harm coral reefs and lead to their mortality, as well as the extraction of coral for construction materials and aquarium decoration. The types of explosives commonly used for fish capture in the waters of South Kalimantan are still considered traditional, involving the use of kerosene and chemical fertilizer in bottles. However, this destructive method of fishing is essentially the same as using fish bombs. Despite the various forms of damage occurring in South Kalimantan, the waters of Kota Baru hold incredible potential for coral reef development. This is because the marine area of Kota Baru maintains an optimal temperature for coral life, ranging from 28 to 31 Celsius. Decoration. With this proposal, we aim to introduce a new alternative tourism option for both local and international visitors. Underwater tourism has distinct advantage over the other forms of tourism. Decoration or underwater coral reef education in South Kalimantan serves as an underwater coral reef educational attraction, not just a place for recreation. It offers visitors an opportunity for learning about coral reefs while enjoying the breathtaking beauty of this underwater ecosystem.
The deterioration of coral reef in Indonesia is of great concern. According to data from 2015 college from 1.259 observation stations across in Indonesia, only 5% of coral reef were in excellent condition and 27.1% were in good condition. The majority, approximately 37.97%, were in poor condition and 3.2% were in very poor condition. Nirwana et al. 2017. Effort to address these issues include law enforcement and public education to reduce destructive fishing activities, restoration of damaged coral reef, and sustainable fisheries management through monitoring fishing gear and setting charge codes.
Characteristics of product innovation. 1. Implementation of ideas. By implementing the idea of decoration, underwater coral reef education, as an educational tour of underwater coral reefs in South Kalimantan, the author carried out this by visiting parties who could contribute to realizing the author's idea. This development will take approximately 11 years from 2024 to 2035. 2. The building design. The building design itself will not change the shape of the marine ecosystem because the construction process was carried out in a damaged coral reef area, but the coral reef potential is good. Even though the model of the building touches the coral reef, it will not damage the life potential of the coral reef itself. Then the design of the building makes it easier for tourists to explore the marine ecosystem. Because with the shape of a boiling flask and the building material is made of acrylic glass, which is of course clear and definitely helps tourists to explore the state of the marine ecosystem.
Chapter 4.0 Operating Methods or Product Control and Innovation Ideas. 4.1 Design Concept. A. Top view. To get to the tourist spot, visitors are directed via the bridge that connects to the island of Kalimantan with the location. The route can be used by all types of land vehicles. In Sector 1, where the pillar stands supporting the boiling quart. From above, in Sector 2, there are several areas for developing artificial coral reefs. In Sector 3, the main office is located as Coordinator and Management for Tourism Sustainability. In Sector 4, the parking area is quite large for visitors. Even though there is a large parking area, the parking provided is limited. In Sector 5, the lift operator's place is where the lift is used to enter the boiling flask. In Sector 6, there is a power plant to support the operation of this tourist attraction. Sector 7 is the elevator to go down the boiling pumpkin tourist area. Sector 8 is a park that decorates the tourist area. Top view of middle floor. After visitors descend from the location via Sector 7, visitors will enter Sector 9, namely the lobby or ticket. Visitors buy tourist entrance tickets in Sector 9. Sector 10 is a toilet provided on the middle floor for use by visitors. Sector 11 is a staircase that provides access for visitors to go down to the lower floor. After purchasing tickets, visitors can tour Sector 12, which has a transparent passage. In this sector, there is a circular passage with transparent glass, which shows the beauty of underwater relief in South Kalimantan. Sector 13 is a shopping center where visitors can buy exclusive souvenirs from the underwater coral reef education tourism. Sector 14 is an educational space where visitors will be given education using digital media. The education provided includes the history of coral reefs and Indonesian maritime affairs, the importance of preserving coral reefs in coral reef waters. Sector 15 is a food court. Visitors can rest and buy food and drinks available in Sector 15. Top view of the lower floor. Visitors who buy season tickets can continue their journey to the bottom floor via the stairs in Sector 11. Once on the bottom floor, visitors are in Sector 19, which is direct education room, where visitors will have the opportunity to directly explore the beauty of coral reefs without restriction. Side view. The side view shows the entire tourist area. In Sector 16 is the land or top floor, connected to Sector 17, namely the middle floor, using the elevator in Sector 7. Sector 17 is connected to Sector 18 via Sector 11, namely the stairs.
The total budget required for the implementation of the decoration innovation product is 37,670,231,000 rupiah, with the following details. The importance of coral reef education is becoming increasingly urgent because of the challenge they face. One of the main reasons why coral reef education is so important is the protection of marine ecosystems. Coral reefs provide natural protection against storm and sea waves that can damage beaches. They also provide breeding grounds for important fish that are a source of food for local communities. Education about how to protect coral reefs can help reduce environmental damage, including overfishing and intrusive fishing. Coral reef education programs can help people understand the important role of coral reefs in marine ecosystem and their impact on human life. With this knowledge, the community can participate in conservation and protection efforts for coral reefs. Awareness of the importance of preserving coral reefs is not just an environmental issue, but also the key to maintaining the balance of marine ecosystem, maintaining biodiversity and protecting important resources used by communities throughout the world. Protecting coral reefs is also important in an economic and societal context. Coral reefs, like tropical forests on land, are ecosystems teeming with life and stunning beauty. This biodiversity creates incredible views, and snorkeling or diving around coral reefs provides an unforgettable experience as you watch creatures interact in their natural habitat. With this product innovation and tilted decoration, it can support a program to increase public awareness of the importance of protecting marine ecosystems, especially coral reefs. Besides that, it can also be used as a medium for education and learning about the importance of protection the environment for tourists when visiting decoration. Of course, decoration tourist is an attractive choice for travelers who want to experience the beauty of the underwater world.
Enrolled in the PKM. This product innovation has previously been submitted by author to the selection committee for the Student Creativity Program Competition of Indonesia. It is called PKM, and the faculty level at Surabaya State University, with the aim for being selected at faculty level and being able to advance to the universal level, to national level. But this product innovation has not passed to select because there are still several points that need to be addressed and understand more deeply. Previously, the proposed product innovation has not focused to deploy on the product innovation, only general overview, description, no picture of the innovation, no budget needed, or is the product innovation, no procedure for managing and using the product innovation in the future.
The author hopes
The author hopes that with the improvement and innovation present, the horizon of this innovation can become a possibility that can influence in the form of changing the coral reef ecosystem for the better. The community mindset regarding of importance of protecting marine ecosystem and change in the term of the economic of the surrounding community, so that it will get mutually beneficial life between humans and nature.
Currently, decoration does not have a copyright. Therefore, in every aspect of decoration in the future, the author will take steps to collaborate with local communities and creating authentic tourist experiences. The author also hopes to consult with legal experts who have experience related to copyright to ensure that the presentation made by the author is actually written by the author. The author also hopes that decoration will be published with appropriate legal and ethical integrity. The author's commitment that decoration will be an achievement of success will be published by respecting and protecting copyright and intellectual property rights.
Conclusion. Purpose idea. Seeing the coral reef in Kota Water will from year they experience additional inequality or can be said to be damaged due to exploitation of various coral reef biota, but also cause damage to the ecosystem as a whole. Fishing waste control or using fishing gear that damage the ecosystem requires a solution and comprehensive idea to solve this problem. Decoration or underwater coral reef education as educational tourism on the underwater coral reef in South Kalimantan is a new idea which is believed to be able to solve the problem of coral reef damage by focusing it as a monitoring tool as well as tourist attraction. How to release and term required? By implementing idea of decoration as an educational or underwater coral reef in South Kalimantan, the author create or visit the practice will contribute to realizing the author idea. This development will take approximately 11 years from 2024 under 2035. This aims to implement a significant increase in the sustainability of coral reef in the water of South Kalimantan so as to create healthy marine ecosystem, so that it can be used as a living place for marine biota as well as be used as a marine tourism destination. The community also play a role in monitoring marine ecosystem life in South Kalimantan water. Predicting the impact of idea on society or nation. The proposed idea can have a positive impact on the preservation of marine ecosystem, especially the coral reef in South Kalimantan water, to create a democratic bonus. So it is open that it can overcome various problems in South Kalimantan water. Moreover, with excellent decoration as educational tourism, our water coral reef in South Kalimantan are not only place to play, but also as a place for education, learning about coral reef, and visitors can enjoy beautiful views of coral reef. It also provides benefits, namely as a tourist spot for local and foreign tourists to visit South Kalimantan, so that it have a good impact on regional economy. Apart from that, local residents will also have a positive impact in the form of income. For example, there are food sellers, better bag tax, and so on.
Following a reference source from our product. That is our presentation. Thank you for the great attention.